Hey guys, Constigo here, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup look and also a full lookbook. So if you want to keep on watching to see how I got this makeup look and see what my outfit inspiration is for you guys, then keep watching. We're going to be doing the makeup look first. The first thing I want to say is please don't think that my hair is really greasy. It is quite greasy, but it's not actually grease. Does that make sense? It's coconut oil and it kind of gave it a wet look effect, so it's kind of cute. Like, I had it in plaits overnight with coconut oil in it and it's given it a wet look effect, which is quite cute. But I think I put too much in it because it was just meant to kind of like be a little bit, so not to give it too much of a difference to what it normally looks like, but it's kind of made it look a bit greasy, unfortunately. So I think I may have to do it up in little space buns in a bit, but for now, for the sake of this video, it's down. So I am also filming this video in summer because if you know me, then what I like to do is over summer I literally have like nothing to do, and so I film like so many videos, like as many videos as I can, and then I schedule them all so that later when it comes to actually having the videos out there, I like won't have to make them during times when I'm stressed, like at uni. And so yeah, I just kind of put them all out there at once. So that is why I kind of look exactly the same in most of these videos. You know, the same length hair, everything. I know that everything's gonna probably change, but you know, I'm gonna look the same in most of these, but I'll look very different on my Instagram. You also see a lot of sneak peeks on my Instagram, so please go check that out if you want to see videos or like little sneak peeks of videos like months before they go up. Go check that out. I also do like really quick makeup tutorials on there, so I'll probably put one up on my eyes before this video comes out and maybe one on my lips before this video comes out. And yeah, so keep watching if you want to see this happen. Let's just get on with it. I'm starting by prepping my brows with the clear gel. This keeps them in place when I then apply the brow pomade. I like using pomade on the brows when I'm going for a sharp look. I'm then going to apply a face mask under my eyes to prevent any fallout from the eye makeup hitting my face. Taking my Morphe Summer Glow palette, I'll be using the orange and red shades to create an ombre hue on my lid. Firstly, I'll apply the brightest orange to my inner corner, then fade it out to red, a deep brown, and then eventually a black, which is where the wing will blend with the shadow on my outer corner. Don't worry if it's messy at all when you're blending outwards, as you have the face mask on and you can always use a wipe to wipe away any excess. To make any look darker, you can apply a kohl pencil before adding black powder, as I just did. I'm then lining my eyelashes with a black eyeliner pen and winging it at the side. The black already there will blend with the wing so it appears smoky. Remember to keep setting things in place as you go. Now that I've peeled off the face mask, we can add concealer, which I'm sure you've all seen used before. I'm now going to do some contouring. You can see where I've added the contour and highlight, then I just blended it in. Taking my favourite palette ever, the Kiko Christmas Highlighter palette, I'm going to bronze and blush, and then I will be baking my face with some white loose powder. Moving on to my nose, I am using the Clinique bronzer and a colour correcting stick. I do need some help from you guys though. My nose is always really dry and nothing can stop it from getting patchy. Does anyone know how I can make application easier? I suffer from eczema, so it's a really big problem for me. Please comment below. Next, I'm doing something I learnt from those doll repaint videos, and I'm blushing, but not in the blush areas. Rather, I will be putting it in any hollow or point on my face with an orange hue. Then I will be mixing my Fenty highlight stick with Jeffree Star's gold eyeshadow as a highlight. Then add some orange under the eye and some yellow to the waterline. Then, eat your damn breakfast and brush your damn teeth. Moving on to eyelashes, I curl them first, then prime them as I did my brows. Once they're dry, I add some Clinique mascara and take out any clumps. Then once that's dry, I add on another coat of mascara and they're good.
I make them thick because I don't like false lashes and have long lashes as it is. Moving on to lips, I have already put on the balm on them and now will use my Barry M liner to cut them out before applying Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Pumpkin, as it is fall. I then wait for that to dry and add a glittery gloss over the top. To end the look, set your makeup. All done.
That was the makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. It took me a long time to do because things kept going wrong, but I cut out the bits where they went wrong, but things did keep going wrong, so I had to keep redoing stuff and took a long time, so I hope you appreciate it. Now let's move on to the outfits, I guess. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, maybe took some inspiration from it, and leave a comment below about your favourite outfit or what you think about my makeup look. Also answer any queries that I had, because for instance, I have no idea how to nose contour and I really need help, and I also have really dry skin and I really need help. So yeah, please comment below anything that you can help me with, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!